How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is the Lavish Home 18-inch folding stool. It's pretty lightweight that you can just swing it around. Flip it open, sit. When they say 18-inch, by the time you sit on it, it's probably around 17.25 inch. You gotta pull the latch here to unlock it. Fold it up and put this away. The chair weighs in at 4 pounds, 3.15 ounces. If you squeeze this material, it feels rather thin. How does it sit? It doesn't really let you rock it. It's pretty stable. The edge is rather thin and there's like a lip to it if you grab onto it. And when you close it, it locks in place. If you unscrew these, I wonder if you can replace that top material. So let's see what this is underneath. It is quite thin material with a very thin piece of foam. There's probably a chance for some DIY where you replace this backing with a thicker piece of foam and fabric. You could possibly just go without it and sit on this metal top. If you guys are interested in this stool, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.